If you've ever wondered how to add text in Lightroom Mobile or on iPad, here's the important thing to know right away. Lightroom does not have a native text tool like some other apps, but there is a simple workaround that lets you place custom text on your exported image using the Watermark feature. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step in just a few minutes. And if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Mobile and make sure the photo you want to edit is already selected. You can do this on either Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom on iPad, and the process is very similar. Once your image is ready, look for the share icon. This is usually located near the top of the screen. Tap that icon to open the export options. Next, choose Export As. This is where Lightroom lets you control how your final image will be saved. After you tap Export As, look for the option that says Include Watermark. Turn that on. This is the key step, because the Watermark tool is what allows you to add text to your image in Lightroom Mobile. Once watermarking is enabled, tap on the Watermark settings. Here, select Text instead of a logo or image-based watermark. This gives you the ability to type in your own custom text, such as your name, brand name, website, Instagram handle, or any message you want. After choosing text, you can customize the look of the watermark. Lightroom lets you adjust the font, color, size, and position, so you can make the text match your style. If you want a subtle look, use a smaller size and place it in a corner. If you want the text to stand out more, you can make it larger and choose a more visible color. Take a moment to preview how it looks on the image. This is important because you want the text to be readable without distracting from the photo itself. If needed, go back and fine-tune the placement until it feels right. When you're happy with everything, finish the export process. Lightroom will save your image with the watermark included. That means your final photo will now contain the custom text you added, all without needing a separate app. So to quickly recap, the process is tap the share icon, choose Export As, turn on Include Watermark, select text, then customize the font, color, size, and position before exporting. That's the easiest way to add text in Lightroom Mobile and iPad right now. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.